Hi, and welcome all to this presentation from the KION Group in the Power On and Go Conference for Robotics. My name is Mohammed Bakr, and on behalf of my colleagues, I would like to present this paper about the transformation from manual to out-of-box industrialized autonomous material transport. Let me first start with a brief introduction. Let me take you back to 2009, where still a daughter company of KION started a project named Marion with the University of Hanover in order to make two autonomous vehicles, a tugger train and a forklift, do loading and unloading tasks as shown in the figure on the right. When implementing Project Marion, customers had worries. How can we service such vehicles? How can we adapt our infrastructure, and for how much money should we invest in such a process? And from here came the part that, yes, we need research. Research is really important, but there is a step in between. And in order not to confuse the customer or not to get unsatisfied customers, there is the IGO Neo step. In the next couple of slides, the research projects that are running at Still, the daughter company of KION, will be introduced. In research project Cubic, which was a cooperation between Still and the Karlsruhe Institute for Technology, an IGO Neo was equipped with a FANUC arm, and it was required from the IGO Neo to drive to a rack autonomously, and using AI-enhanced algorithms, the FANUC arm was able to pick up Euro boxes and transform them from a trailer to the rack and back again. In Project DPTL, which is a research project between Still and Freiburg University, the aim is to develop understanding of the warehouse semantics and the objects inside of the warehouse. This is in order to classify the objects as static, dynamic, semi-dynamic objects, and also to identify, for example, driving paths, pedestrian crossings, and signs. In the Industrial Indoor Localization Research Project EEL, which is a cooperation between Still and the Technical University of Hamburg, the aim is to develop a platform that can be used as a unified data source. This platform can be used for service, development, and support for autonomous vehicles. Finally, I would like to thank you very much for listening to this presentation, and for any questions, please don't hesitate